So first, you pick it out, comb it out. You want to examine the scalp. You want to examine, make sure there's no, sores or moles or anything like that. So you want to pick his hair out, and it doesn't have to be perfect when you shape it because you're just gonna curl it right back up. But you don't want to have longer spots in one area. So I just freehand and shape it up. I go and I taper the back. With over curly hair, you got to be careful with the taper because it's easy to make that taper go higher and higher and higher. I usually start by, cleaning the bottom first. And then I shear and comb the top, like where the transition starts to happen. I'll shear and comb that just to keep the fade where it's at and kill the curls. Other than that, he wanted to keep his beard full, so all I did was, keep his line high as possible, keep his mustache as thick as possible. I had been getting my hair cut since I was 16. So 16, I went and I started getting lineups. But I would wear braids or wear my hair down or anything like that, had long hair. So I would go to the barber shop, I would get lineups. But my barber, I had him for like 13 years. But I would sit and watch him cut hair, and I would just admire how he cut hair. Prior to that, I worked at a plant, and we made drive shafts for Chrysler and GM. The third time they laid me off, I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a trade. I'm gonna pick up something, and nobody be able to fire me from this. First time picking up a pair of clippers was at barber school. I happen to have a natural knack for it, and after that, it's history. I've always thought that barbering, I thought like everybody else thinks, barbering, it's okay, it's quick money, it's a hustle. But really, to be honest with you, someone told me one day, they said even Barack Obama need a haircut. I take a lot of classes. That's longevity right there. If you just cut hair and taper hair, or your regular norm, you in a box, you're not gonna go no further than that. I don't want to be in that box. I do the man weaves. I do those. I do straight hair. I am working on coloring, dye, all that. Like, I want to do everything. Anybody that comes through that door and they request a service, I should be able to do it. Only thing I would say is, don't let fear stop you from doing anything and that's been my whole thing, like my whole career in barbering, being fearful of failing. But every time that I put myself out there and just did it, I've always came out on top. So anybody that may be interested in this career or anything like that, it's a very lucrative career. I would say don't let fear stop you. Go for it. Go for it, because it's helped me. It saved me. I don't know what else I would be doing if it wasn't